Whether you're picking up building supplies or moving furniture, this carry-on utility trailer makes your trip easy and efficient. The long, open design can fit mattresses, ATVs, and landscape equipment, and offers a clear view when turning and backing. The ramp gate makes loading and unloading a breeze. Its sturdy aluminum frame can support loads over 2,000 pounds for added peace of mind. The top-wind tongue jack helps stabilize and level the trailer for easy hitching and unhitching. The treated lumber floor promotes lasting durability and can be easily swept after the job is done. Its 15-inch tires help distribute weight evenly, and their round fenders help catch debris flying off the wheels when you're driving. A coupler with safety chains provides a secure connection to the tow vehicle for worry-free transport. It's also lighted to DOT specs for quick spotting from a distance. Taking heavy loads out on the highway is easy with this carry-on trailer.